Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is sunny. It's beautiful out. It's still cool. It's like I think it's like minus 23 or something like that outside. Anyway, the sun is out. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just wanted to show everybody what it kind of looks like out here on the lake. So I'm on the lake right now. I'm probably about 50 feet off of the dock. But I'm just gonna show everyone how absolutely stunning it is if the dogs don't ruin it for me, which they probably will, but that's okay. All right, here we go. So the orange markers, that's where our dock is. But just take it all in and just see how absolutely stunning it is here. The snow just covers everything and it's just absolutely breathtaking. It's so quiet, so serene. Not a lot of people out on the lake, meaning local wise ice fishing or anything like that yet. So we're so lucky to live in a place like this. Absolutely blessed. I was sick in our last video. I wasn't feeling that greatest. So I apologize if I was less enthusiastic than I usually am. Feeling better now. I've passed it on to my kids, so it's time for them to have a little bit of downtime too. So I hope you enjoy the video this week, and we'll see you soon. Oh, I want to thank everybody for subscribing and liking and all of that stuff. We really didn't plan much when we started this channel. It was kind of just like so people kind of knew what we had here, because we always found that people are like, oh, I had no idea that you were here. I had no idea what you guys had there or anything like that. So we just kind of started it to kind of like show people what we have and what it's like to live out here and what the camp's like. So thank you everybody for liking and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you don't want to, that's okay too. It's completely fine if you just pop in and watch. I hope you enjoy this week's video. Hopefully the sun stays, and and yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do yet this week, but we'll see. I'm sure it'll be fun.
It's cold. So I think what he's doing is he's filling up the Backhoe tire, and we gotta cut dead trees today for our wood. We gotta get some firewood. We gotta get water, obviously. Yeah, it's been a winter wonderland. Cold.
Have at it, Lou.
Make toothpicks. Get it perfect.
Sorry, make toothpicks.
See, I hit it perfectly. Not square. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Darn, oh darn. Ugh. This is not funny because these pants make me look shorter than I already am.
Snickers, get out of the way. Snickers, get out of the way. Snickers, out of the way. Okay, are you gonna hit the middle?
Okay. Like you could do better.
I can't, so.
Exactly.
I'm just gonna bash you.
Anyway.
We have a wood splitter, so.
You're saying I'm not good enough?
I'm just saying that
I heard I'm not good enough.
I'm just saying you don't have to do this.
I heard I was not good enough for this.
Woo! Where's your lumberjack jacket?
I got too hot in it.
Oh, okay. Sorry, your northern jacket.
Don't listen to him. He don't know what he's talking about.
I know he doesn't know.
We're gonna delete that piece for now.
Okay, that's
I'll
fine.
go back to that later.
Cool. Woo!
Exactly.
You go, girl.
It's just that piece.
That one was difficult.
That one. That one's that one. You know. It's partially dead. We'll say that. Partially dead. You know, it'd been really nice if that like split and then it split.
That would have been awesome, eh?
That's Snickers. I thought it was easy. See what would happen as soon as you got the camera out? I'm professional.
You took, what did you take off of that one?
I took this chunk off.
Oh.
Yeah, see?
Yes, you are a professional, honey. Good work. You only got all that to go.
I know. It's gonna take all day.